subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel JNTUH R22. So today in this video we are going to learn about HCI patterns. Okay, HCI patterns means nothing but, before understanding this, we learned about what are the principles, what are the guidelines, what are the standards. Okay, for following that guidelines, for designing that guidelines, there should be a certain pattern that we have to follow. Okay, that pattern is called as HCI pattern. These are the standard, these are the standardized reusable design solutions that address recurring usability and interaction problems in the interface design. Whenever the interface design, whatever we are building, the interaction of the problems that we use, we will be overcoming it with the help of our principles. Okay, that is called as for designing that principles, we will be following the standard pattern. That pattern is called as HCI pattern. Structure of pattern. What are the pattern that we follow? What is the structure? Let's see. First one is name. Whatever pattern you are having, the first you have to write their name. What is the problem and what is the context? Okay, first one is name. In name you will be having the title. Okay, pattern title, what type of pattern you want, what is the title of that pattern is called as name. Next one is problem, issue being addressed. What is the issue that we are addressing in this pattern? Next one is context. Context is nothing but where the situation applies. Okay, where the situation where it applies. Next one is solution, recommended design. What is the solution that you are suggesting? Example is nothing but the real world usage. Pattern is nothing but, let's see once again, pattern is nothing but the standard usable design solutions. Okay, that means pattern, for example, Django. If you know Django, it is a framework, right? In Django you have certain specifications. Like in Django, the pattern is already there, like how the folder structure should be, everything is there. In React also you have the folder structure and all. So these are patterns. Okay, these are patterns, we are only using that. For example, in Canva also we have the templates. We are making the changes to it only. Okay, that is called as patterns. So here structure of pattern is nothing but, in structure of pattern we'll be having the name, problem, context, solution and the example. There are different types of pattern. The first pattern is navigation pattern. Navigation pattern is nothing but, it is one of the standard patterns. These it will help users to move through the system, like menus, navigation bars, breadcrumbs. This all comes under the navigation pattern. Next one is input pattern. Input pattern will help us to help users to enter the data. You know, input pattern, navigation is nothing but about the navigation, input is nothing but about the input. Okay, it will help users to enter the data, like forms, a drop down list, check boxes and all. Next one is feedback pattern. Feedback pattern is nothing but, it will provide the system responses to the user actions. Whatever system action as a user we are performing, the system will give the response. It is called as a feedback pattern. Next one is layout pattern. Layout pattern is nothing but how the content is organized on the screen is called as a layout pattern, like grid layout, card layout, dashboard design. This comes under layout pattern. Next one is interaction pattern. Interaction pattern is nothing but, it will define how users interact with the system. For example, drag or drop. Okay, that means, for example, mouse swipe actions or keyboard interaction, how we are interacting with the system, whether you're using keyboard or mouse or touch screen or drag and drop, swipe. This all comes under the interaction patterns. These are the different patterns. This is called as HCI patterns. Thank you all for watching. The notes is mentioned in the description. Thank you.